Hello, it's me. Today, I'm a troll because I'm under a bridge. Pretty cool, isn't it? So this isn't a real video, this is just me testing my microphone and noise reduction on my camera. It's freezing cold. And I look like shit, probably. Oh, it's cold. This is so beautiful. Let me show you around. I'm pretty close to the camera because it's so windy. Look at this. And now you're facing the wind again. Which is crazy. I'm out of focus. I hope you're having a great day because I am. It's a nice weather as you can see. It's just pretty cold. And I have no gloves, but who cares? It's great. If you don't look towards the wind and the snow kind of thrown at you. So I'm gonna put some pictures of that I took in the video. Hope this works out. It's crazy. Look at this. You can't see shit. I love it. It's so beautiful and snowy. And sorry for the. What did I just do? Yeah, I'm sorry for the snow on the lens. It's just I can't do shit about it. God, it's crazy. Oh, this is gonna be after the last part. Let's get it off. Yeah, I'm gonna throw it on a tripod. God. See this crazy old bridge? It's awesome. And there's snow coming from. Shitty tripod. Bag. Untouched wheat. It's called like that. I don't know. Stone. For the bridge. This is the fucking river. Not very river-ish at the moment. You guys all frozen over and snowy. You can see water flowing. Well, I don't know. I don't see myself now. Ugh. Well, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. I hope this wasn't too annoying or something. I think my arm's gonna break if I keep holding it like that, so peace, people. See you in my next video.